Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, I'm smoking on this weed.
So I went and I got all bundled up. We finna go do some fireworks. Mom is unamused.
You left the whole box.
Mom is very unamused.
Yeah, unamused. You're such a monkey.
And yeah, it already smells like burnt out here. Because the neighbors was already popping it off.
Mom, you get a bottle rocket?
Wait.
Oh, my ankle.
Yeah. Okay, so we're getting everything all set up. My mom's getting her chair for her to sit and stuff. And then we got the fireworks. And then we got Dusty on top of the truck. Look. Look at this girl, bro. But yeah.
You gonna sit right here.
So I guess I'm not gonna really record much for this video. I'm gonna go set up a montage of them shooting fireworks and all that and the other. So I can see y'all at the end of the video. Okay guys, so we are done popping, well, I'm done popping fireworks because for one, it is cold, and then two, I'm cold. So, for the last few minutes of this video, I'm going to talk about like my New Year's resolutions / goals. So, my resolutions and goals for 2024 is to like continue to stay positive, continue to like get like rid of all like the toxic and negativity out of my life. I want to grow more as a person. I want to also grow financially. And then I also want to continue to grow my hair page and my YouTube channel. Like, continue like to be motivated for stuff and like stay more productive and stuff. Y'all, also I'm congested, so yeah, and I was just outside, so it just made it worse. So we're gonna have a guest to come on and tell her resolutions and her goals. Miss Ayana Vlogs.
Okay, so my New Year's resolutions are to basically like get my YouTube channel to grow so I can make some money. And also like I want to work on going to college, mainly focusing on school and stuff. So like I feel like that's like school, me focusing on school, like make sure I get good grades is probably gonna be my main priority. So that's probably what I'm really focusing on. But I'm gonna still like do YouTube, probably do like different school vlogs, you know, whatever. But like I feel like my school is more important. So, but I do want to go to college too. So if y'all seen it in my YouTube video that I just dropped today or the other day or whenever my bestie posted, so y'all gonna see that what college I want to go to. So yeah, but let me see. Probably after that, after I get out of college, you know, get my own apartment, you know, get a job, this and that, and yeah.
Hope you guys enjoy today's video, and hope y'all guys have a great and happy New Year's and a great 2024. See y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.
It's connected to you.